Hey guys, we're back again. Come this way. We've got a trailer build for a customer this video. We're redoing the front door. So we'll basically just cutting this off. Already started it here, as you can see. He's fitting here nicely. But yeah, I'll film what I can. We're just going to be cleaning the front up and adding a motorbike front tyre holder. And then we'll do some tie down points for him. And then the spare wheel can also sit on the front of that. So just little things like this will make your trailer a lot better. Oh yeah, and we're also going to spray it with the rust converter. So that will be good. And then he can paint it in a couple days. Alright, let's get stuck into it. This is why he's getting it cut off, because the hinges are all rusted and seized. So we've got new weld-on hinges. I like these ones are nice. There's no play in them, so they're nice and solid. You get the gate hinges and that, and they have play in them. Or these old ones, if they aren't all seized like this, they normally have play. It's normally one or the other. But I just cut little bits where I could, and then that bit just came off easy. You can see this, I cut a good strip off the bottom. On the back here, it had rusted all the way up, so cut the strip off the bottom. I tend to do this a lot for customers, replace the sheet metal, but he just wanted the front gate done so he could do the motorbike in here, Triumph 600 apparently. So I've got all the dimensions for that online. So that's just where I'm at. And next up, we will be cutting the remainder of this off and cleaning that. And then cutting 4 bits like this. And I'm basically gonna make a right angle out of 4 bits, if you could imagine that, sitting there like that. And then also another 2 like that, so he's got a bit of a channel where the door doesn't come out. So we'll add a small brace in here, just a bit of flat bar on each side for support. So that's how it's going to sit, as you can see. And then we'll add a bit of sheet to fill the gap. I made this spider on Halloween, so we're sacrificing some of his legs for just the bits and pieces. May as well use what we have here. Here we are with the finished product now. I couldn't film much of it because I had to get a fair bit done pretty quickly. Here we've got the motorbike front wheel mount, the fixed gate. You can mount the spare wheel of the trailer on the front, and this perfectly fits. Comes down about a millimeter gap. So there. once again, sorry I couldn't film much of this one, but I had to get it done quick for the customer. And maybe I'll film more of the next one, but I hope you enjoyed the video of what you did see. And if you want to see me go into more detail and see all the cutting and what everything that's involved, chuck us a like and subscribe, and I'll start making more of these videos. So get on it, and have a good one. See you next time.